nicht. Schnus den Pose free.
Welcome to where AirPods come to life. Today, I'll reveal Apple's audio manufacturing secrets. Subscribe to Process Pulse Factory.
These are the new H2 chips, straight from Apple.
Let's get them inspected. Security is top priority.
At Apple, every component is rigorously tested to meet our uncompromising standards. The calibration looks good, initiating the first batch run.
Excellent. Let's monitor the first few units closely for any deviations.
It's only happening.
Apple's Audio Command Center monitors every AirPod, ensuring audio excellence millions of users expect.
AirPod Pro Line A7 shows a slight deviation in the left earbud frequency response.
Understood. Rerouting diagnostics. Max line is stable.
Every AirPod must deliver perfect audio. Apple's reputation depends on flawless quality.
Så det will get stuff so white to book this night do. Already teleco donate levited grade to the tap.
AI predicts AirPods' audio quality using real-world listening data from billions of hours.
%% X-ray inspection ensures every AirPod delivers promised audio excellence.
AirPods Pro 2 ANC tested against 10,000 different noise profiles, twice as effective. Our digital twin allows us to simulate and optimize every step before it hits the factory floor, reducing errors and speeding up innovation.
ANC performance must be identical across all units. Fix this immediately.
Enhanced vision system reduced microphone placement variation by 90%, ensuring consistent ANC.
Look at the interference pattern here.
Micron level shifts are critical.
We're seeing some inconsistencies in the force sensor response.
Should answer to the car really basic correcting and puncture him to get. Issue also attack on the shore product that is goodness of it say. Name, causes of
Transference in transcription. Enhanced battery management, extended AirPods listening time while protecting cell longevity.
Air freight priority shipping. Apple Store deliveries worldwide. Premium audio retail network.
Mastering microassembly is key to premium audio.
Now, let's verify its acoustic performance.
These skills open many career paths here.
At Apple, we believe that everyone should have access to technology that empowers them.
These new hearing features are truly life-changing for me.
Morning, team. Today we're reviewing Apple's audio quality standards. Microassembly precision is key to our success. Premium dedication means exceeding expectations.
Yesterday's audio quality was slightly below parameters.
We need to ensure we hit all of today's Apple targets. These premium standards are non-negotiable.
All right, let's verify the micro-calibration on this unit.
Readings are within Apple's precision standards.
Cupertino, we have a problem. The line's down.
Okay, let's see what's happening. Can you show us the main interface?
Transcription. Okay, just like that. See? Nice and easy. Wow, I think I got it.
We ensure every unit meets Apple's high standards. This one, however, shows a deviation.
My proposed assembly enhancement significantly improves precision and reduces material waste.
This is impressive. Apple values this kind of innovation.
Okay, I think I've isolated the frequency drop.
Right there. It aligns with the user reports of muffled dialogue during playback.
Okay, regarding audio production, all key metrics are green. We've addressed the recent quality alerts.
Excellent. Documentation standards?
Next, iPhone factory secrets revealed. Then, Apple Watch precision. Subscribe to Process Pulse Factory.
Now you know AirPods manufacturing secrets. What amazed you? Subscribe to Process Pulse Factory.